The heartbeat of it all is right in that motor pool. Where's Taqtile? Where's Manifest? Right in that motor pool. What's it doing? Making a difference down there. Manifest is going to help us create what I call sheer dominance. That's what we're looking for. We want to be the best. We want to be good. We want to be better than everybody else. Better than the rest, I always say. And what do you need? You need great technology today. The reality is we have retention problems. And it's not just retention problems. It's retention of the right people problems. It's retention of the maintenance expertise problems. It's retention of the key NCOs, the master gunners, and the warrant officers that know all this stuff. And what Manifest does, it leverages that expertise. It projects it out to the force. Can it save dollars? Without a doubt. Tens of millions. Maybe across all the services, hundreds of millions of dollars. But it's not just about money. Manifest software can save lives. It can save time. The military is trying to manage time. They have so few hours in a day to stay fit to fight, to train to fight tonight. They got to do things in a timely manner. Taqtile saves time. AR is the future. It's coming. So get ready, embrace it. Let's go.